Hiccups are like your body glitching in real life. 1 second you're fine, and then HIC, boom. Your soul jumps out like it wasn't ready to be here. It's like your diaphragm's just pressing a random reset button. You try to act normal, but you sound like a malfunctioning toaster. Hic, I'm fine. You lie, as everyone around you starts laughing. You hold your breath, drink water upside down, do a backflip. Nothing works. Then finally, silence. You think it's over. You celebrate too soon. And then HIC, betrayal, pure betrayal. At this point, you're not even annoyed. You're just defeated.